Testing. 1, 2, 3. I think I got it working. Chat. Hold on. Okay. I think it's working now. Let's see. All right. Welcome back, chat. I think this is good. This is mainly just a test stream, by the way. I'll do it like a stream tomorrow. Right now, I want to figure out, hopefully the internet's good. So now we're doing the stream on a server now. Okay. Sorry, couldn't stream last week. Had a big snowstorm here. I'm sure across the country as well. In the U.S. anyway. So that kind of put a damper on things last weekend. I actually was going to stream. Okay. Hopefully this looks good. I'm just going to walk around today. Just a little walk. Tomorrow I'll do something. We'll go someplace different. But I needed to fix this signal issue, so I had to get a server for it. It looks good now though. Had to kind of fix the issues with it first. Yeah, it's clear now. At least I hope it's clear. Because if this server doesn't work. Oh, hold on one second, chat. Okay. Sorry about that. There's a security guard. Actually haven't used this app in a while. It's been months. So now that we got a server, I think we can do some better streams now and go to different places because it looks a lot better. Like I said, sorry, this is just a little short test stream, basically. We can walk around, look in the shops real quick. They have some good movies coming out this year, by the way. I think next month Scream actually comes out, Scream 7. I'm not sure if that's going to be any good. Probably won't. Yeah, I was going to stream last week, but like I said, that snow really messed things up for like a couple of days. We will go somewhere tomorrow. Go to a different town. think last time we was here was like Christmas maybe. I don't even think half of that stream was any good. Everybody's getting these little tokens now, token machines.
You can't film in here.
Okay.
Sorry.
Well, you good. It might be getting a little strict in this mall about filming now. But there'll be more events and stuff happening this year anyway, so we won't be like inside places for that much. And there's like conventions and stuff going on too. Let's go outside. I hope y'all been doing good. Hope you're in another part of the country that didn't get snow. It's clear now though, but there's still a little bit of snow left. But it is freezing. I do know that. It does remind me, I'm gonna have to get one of those little GoPro, those little clip-on cameras when I stream, so I won't attract that much attention. What is this? Might be a little too cold for go-karts right now anyway. Are they closed right now? They might be closed for the season, maybe. Ooh, excuse me. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this quality is a lot better. It's a lot better than the other apps. I just kind of had to figure out. Put a server on here anyway. So I wonder if we'll lose signal if I go down to this other part of the mall, because that's where the bad signal is. Hopefully the quality is still good. It's not like lagging or anything like that. It should fix it, this server I got now. There's an aquarium in there. One day we might have to go in there. Probably like in the spring, maybe. Not right now. to look up. Some clips. It's like put the camera like maybe right here. That'll be less intrusive for people, so they won't freak out about the camera. Said this is probably going to be like a little short stream. I just wanted to test this server out in here. Tomorrow will be the longer stream. I think Saturday it's going to snow down here again, I think. Which is a little annoying because it kind of stops everything here in North Carolina. Everything. Well, the towns in the mountains seem to be able to handle snow well, but everywhere else kind of is not used to it. Okay, I'm gonna go in the store. This is a bad area too. Look at it. Seems still. I don't know. I hope the stream didn't go out. It might have went out a little. Can't tell, chat. Hold on. I'm hoping it didn't go out for y'all. I think next time, oh, you know what I have to do on here? I think I have to kind of connect to their Wi-Fi as well. I forgot about that actually. I don't think it went out. It might have though. I have to remember that next time to connect to their Wi-Fi. And we shouldn't have any problems next time. Huh, okay. I think we're okay. Next time, I'll remember to connect to their Wi-Fi. I'm not used to even messing with their Wi-Fi when I stream, but I'll do that next time. I like how clear it is though. This is like the best quality app I have, but walk a little bit more. Also, I might have to use my other phone as a hotspot as well. But I'll kind of take care of that. I'll take care of that later. Okay. Probably better get out of here pretty soon. Let's walk in this other area real quick. But like I said, I'm streaming tomorrow before any more snow comes down here and messes up the stream. A lot of people here for, is it Thursday? It's Thursday. Sorry, chat. Trying to avoid like security cards and stuff like that. Down this way a little bit. Also, I do want to go up to like Asheville, up that area to that city, like next month, towards the mountains, like a mountain city. We'll do that next month. That'll be like a big trip. Let's go in here real quick. Let's go over here. Okay. Let me get out of here, Chad. Once again, sorry for the very short stream. I'll make it up to you tomorrow. I just wanted to check out this server I have, see how it works. I kind of have some ideas how to tweak it so it's a little better. But I will see you tomorrow, chat. Do something different, be a different place. Once again, sorry for the short stream, but I'm gonna get out of here now, chat. I will have a good evening.